Hey kids, welcome to the first grade math quiz. Have fun and enjoy.
Hooray!
Choose the correct answer. 5 minus 3 equals? The answer is 2. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Choose the correct answer. 2 minus 2 equals? The answer is 0. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Choose the correct answer. 9 minus 8 equals? The answer is 1. 9 minus 8 equals 1. Choose the correct answer. 4 minus 1 equals? The answer is 3. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Choose the correct answer. 8 minus 3 equals? The answer is 5. 8 minus 3 equals 5. Choose the correct answer. 8 minus 2 equals? The answer is 6. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Choose the correct answer. 9 minus 5 equals? The answer is 4. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Choose the correct answer. 10 minus 3 equals? The answer is 7. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Choose the correct answer. 9 minus 1 equals? The answer is 8. 9 minus 1 equals 8. Choose the correct answer. 2 minus 1 equals? The answer is 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you next time, and don't forget to watch our other videos.